What's up, everybody? It's Honeybee. I'm back. I'm doing something for my students. Of course, they always do tell me to do these videos so they can catch it, but the basic Chicago step. You know, that's in a lot of dances. I know we might have ran through it when we was doing some of our basic steps, but I'm not sure. So this one is dedicated straight to the Chicago Steppin, okay? Like I said, it's in a lot of dances. Sometimes it's the full 8 count. Sometimes people stop on the 6 count. Whatever the case may be, we're going to get it together today. Okay. So the count when you're doing is always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At least that's how I get it. Okay. So if you're going by looking at me, that's how I do it. All right. So we're going to start off. I'm just going to do it from the front, and then I'm going to turn around. But I'm just going to show you what that, when we say that basic count is. I'm going to left over right. And I'm just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What that is, left over right, right over left, kick, left, right. All right. So let's turn around and do it. Break it down slowly. All right. I'm just going to left over right first. All right. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Left over right, right over left, kick left, do it again, left over right, right over left, kick left, right. Okay, I'm gonna do it with the count. So with the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're also gonna see them when they do it. They're going to kind of step back when they're doing the 7, 8. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just rocking back with the 7, 8. You know what I'm saying? I just did with the kicks because that's just like basically doing it. So see when they're doing it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's just setting you up to be able to do it again. 7, 8. Okay. So you know what you got to do. Rewind it back. Go slow. Put it at slow motion. But that's what it is. If you keep the count with Chicago Steppin, you should be able to do anything. All right. So I'm going to show you. Now we did that. We're going to do it one more time. Do a couple more times. And then we're going to do a turn with it. Okay. A half turn. All right. So I'm going to do basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still the same count. Just that when I did the half turn on 4, I'm pushing back and doing it that way. So let me let you see it again. So it's 1, 2, 3. I'm doing the basic. 5, 6. I'm about to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how I did that? 4, 5, 6. Now from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the half turn. You just got to keep the count. All right. And I'm going to run 4 steps that they kind of do with this basic step. And like I said, once you get it, you get all fancy with it and do whatever you want. But I'm going to show you what I do sometimes when we're doing certain dances. Okay. So I'm going to do a basic. I'm going to do a half turn. But the next time after that half turn, we're going to do a full turn on the 8 count. I know you're like, how you do that? You just keep turning basically. So first, let me do a basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know you're like, what? I know. I just came back to the front. Let me show you how I look on the back. I'm going to do a basic first, and then we're going to do a turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still keeping the count. Still keeping the count. Okay. So do it with me. We're going to do basic. We're going to do a half turn. We're going to do another half turn. And then we're going to do a full turn. All right. 5, 6, 7. Basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half turn again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know you did that. You did good. That's all right. I know you did. And if not, rewind it back. Rewind it back. All right. One more move. Another move with the basic that you'll see people say, and it's called the remix. Remix. Or some people call it the kickstand. One of the two. So I'm going to show you how to look on the front. And then I'm going to show you how to look on the back. So still on the same count. So what they do is they run it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're basically doing a little hold with it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they call it kickstands because some people are going to emphasize with that foot back. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it on the other side so you can see it. All right. 5, 6, 7. Kickstand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's that little pause. All right. So let's do a whole thing here. I'm gonna do a basic. 2 lefts, a full turn, and then we're gonna do a remix. Let's see how that go. Woo-wee. 5, 6, 7. Basic test is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm calling art. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you know how to do the Chicago step. Whoop, whoop. Hey, hey, hey. That's real simple. It's different when you're doing it with partners. If you ever go to some stepping classes, and we do have those in Tampa, we have some stepping people. So if you want to know about that, hit us up. We'll let you know. But the men, it's different when they're partner, when we're partner dancing, okay? But that's more, we on the line dance side right now. But thank you for watching. Subscribe to the page. Rewatch this over. Rewind, rewind. You'll get it. I promise you. All right. Y'all got this. A-Team out. Honey be out. See y'all later. Deuces.